Hello everyone, welcome back to Study Hunting. In today's video, I'll share the most asked Capgemini Technical Interview Questions with answers for the software engineer role. These are the commonly asked questions from Python and the DBMS interview. If you are preparing for Capgemini or any service-based company, watch this video till the end because these questions can really help in your interview. The first question is, what is Python? Python is a high-level interpreted programming language that is easy to learn and easy to write. It supports object-oriented programming and has a simple syntax which makes it popular among beginners and professionals. Python is widely used in web development, automation, data science, machine learning, and many other fields. The next question is, what is Python used for? Python has many applications. It is used for web development using frameworks like Django and Flask, artificial intelligence and machine learning, automation, desktop application, game development, image processing, and data analysis. Because of its simplicity and powerful libraries, Python is one of the most popular programming languages today. Now let's discuss the key features of Python. Python is easy to read and understand because of its simple syntax. It is dynamically typed, meaning you don't have to declare variables types. It supports object-oriented programming language, has a huge collection of libraries, works on multiple operating systems, and integrates easily with the other programming languages. The next interview question is, how is memory managed in Python? Python automatically manages memory using a private heap. Developers don't need to manually allocate or free memory. Python also has a garbage collector that automatically removes unused objects and frees memory, making programming easier and reduced memory related errors. Another commonly asked question is, what are modules in Python? The modules is simply a Python file that contains functions, classes, and variables which can be reused in other programs. Some commonly used modules include OS, SYS, Math, Random, Dateline, and JSON. Using modules help to make code usable and organized. The next question is, explain namespace in Python. A namespace is like a container that stores variables' name and their values. It helps to avoid naming conflicts between different parts of our program. Python mainly has local, global, built-in, and enclosing namespaces. Now let's look at dictionary. A dictionary is a collection of key value pairs enclosed within curly braces. Keys are unique, while values can be duplicated. Dictionaries are mutable, meaning you can add, update, or remove items whenever required. The difference between the range and X range. This is the most popular interview questions. The difference is that range returns a range object in Python 3, while X-range was used only in Python 2 for memory efficient iteration. Since Python 3 no longer supports X-range, only range is used today. Let's move to DBMS. A database management system, or DBMS, is a software that helps users to create, store, retrieve, update, and manage data efficiently. A database is simply an organized collection of related data stored electronically. Interviews often ask about the advantages of DBMS. Interviews often, like some important advantages include reduced data redundancy, important improved data sharing, better security, data consistency, backup and recovery, and easier management of large amount of data. The next important question, which is very important here, like why is normalization needed? Normalization is the process of organizing data into tables to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. It minimizes insertion, update, and deletion anomalies and makes the database more efficient. This is one of the most frequently asked question in DBMS. A primary key uniquely identifies each records in a table and cannot contain duplicates or null values. A foreign key is a common that column that creates a relationship between two tables by referring to the primary key of another table. Another important SQL question is the difference between the union and union all. Union removes duplicate records and returns only unique values, whereas union all returns all records, including duplicates. Union all is generally faster because it does not perform duplicate checking. ACID properties are essential in DBMS. ACID stands for atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. These properties ensure that database transactions are processed reliably and maintain data accuracy even during failures. The next question is, what are SQL constraints? Constraints are rules applied to table columns to maintain data integrity. Common constraints include not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check, and default. The final question is, what is data integrity? Data integrity means maintaining the accuracy, consistency, and reliability of data throughout its life cycle. It ensures that the stored information remains correct and trustworthy. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please like the video, share the video, and subscribe for Study Hunting channel. Thank you for watching and all the best for your interviews.